Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learner's World. In this video, we will see how to lock the cell and unlock the cells. You can lock the cell by protecting the sheet. How can we do it is, go to the sheet name, right click, go to the protect sheet option and then give the password. OK. Now re-enter the password and then click on OK. So now when you try to edit on any cell, it will not allow you to edit and it will throw you an error message. That is, my cells are protected. Now here I have two tasks. One is I want to unlock the 14 cells and then lock the entire sheet, and I want to lock the 14 cells and then unlock the entire sheet. Here I have some data. I want to unlock these 14 cells and then lock the entire sheet. Before going into that topic, let's see what it is. By default, any property of the cell is locked. To see how it is, first unprotect the cell, unprotect the sheet. Now my sheet is unprotected. Now go to any cell and then right click on the cell. In that, go to format cell option. If you see, it is locked. My cell is locked. Now let's see for the other cell also. Go to the cell, right click, format cells. If you see, even this cell is also locked. So in short, all the cells in the sheet are locked by default. So now I want to unlock these 14 cells and then lock the entire sheet. Now what I'll do is I'll select these 14 cells. First, what I'll do is I'll select these 14 cells and then right click or press Ctrl 1. Ctrl 1, it is the shortcut to open the format cell dialog box, or you can just right click on the cell and then select the format cell option. Now I'm going to unlock it. Unlock all the 14 cells. So, and then click on OK. So this is the first step. Now the second step is I'm going to protect the sheet. Go to the sheet name, right click, protect sheet and then give the password. Now re-enter the password again. Now when I double click on any cell except these 14 cells, it will give me an error message. But when I double click on any one cell of these 14 cells, it will allow me to edit. That means these 14 cells are unlocked and remaining cells are locked. So in this way you can unlock the 10 cells and then lock the entire sheet. Now next one is vice versa of the first task. That is, here I want to lock the 14 cells and then unlock the entire sheet. For that, what I'll do is, first we have to unprotect the sheet as we have protected it previously for the previous task. Now what I'll do is unprotect the sheet. For that, go to the sheet name, right click, unprotect sheet by giving the password and then click on OK. After unprotecting the sheet, now select the entire sheet. After selecting the entire sheet, now I'll unprotect all the cells. I'll unlock all the cells by right click, format cells, unlock. Now I'm going to unlock all the cells and then click on OK. After unlocking all the cells, now I have to lock the 14 cells. Select the 14 cells. Select and then right click, format cells and then lock these 14 cells and then click on OK. Now we have to protect the entire sheet. This is the second task. Protect sheet, give the password, re-enter the password and then OK. Now my sheet is protected. Now when I try to click on this any of the 14 cells, it will show me an error message. But when I try to edit the remaining cells apart from these 14 cells, it will allow me to edit. So in this way, you can lock and unlock the cells in Excel. For more videos of Excel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.